What happens when you eat fennel seeds every day? You might be amazed at how much these tiny seeds can do for your health. Fennel seeds have been used for centuries in different cultures for both cooking and healing. And even today, they remain incredibly popular because they offer a wide range of benefits. When you chew fennel seeds after meals, they work wonders for your digestion. Ever feel bloated or gassy after eating? Fennel seeds can help by relaxing the muscles in your stomach and intestines, making it easier for food to pass through your system. Some studies even show that fennel seeds can significantly reduce indigestion and bloating, helping you feel more comfortable after eating. People have been using fennel seeds for this purpose for centuries, and they're still one of the best natural remedies for digestive problems. But that's just the beginning. Fennel seeds can also freshen your breath naturally. They contain essential oils with strong antibacterial properties that fight the germs responsible for bad breath. In fact, many cultures around the world have a tradition of chewing fennel seeds after meals to leave their breath smelling fresh and clean. It's an all-natural, simple solution that really works. And if you're trying to lose weight, fennel seeds could be your new best friend. These seeds are high in fiber, which means they help you feel full for longer periods of time, so you're less likely to snack between meals. On top of that, fennel seeds boost your metabolism, helping your body burn calories more effectively. Studies suggest that fennel seeds may even help reduce appetite, making it easier for you to control how much you eat. It's a simple and healthy way to support your weight loss journey. For women, fennel seeds are particularly beneficial. They contain phytoestrogens, which are plant-based compounds that mimic estrogen in the body. This can help balance hormones, especially for women experiencing menstrual cramps or going through menopause. Many women find that eating fennel seeds daily helps reduce discomfort during their periods and improves their overall hormone balance. It's like nature's little helper for women's health. But fennel seeds aren't just good for digestion, weight loss, and hormones. They're also fantastic for your heart. Studies show that eating fennel seeds can help lower bad cholesterol levels, which reduces your risk of heart disease. They also improve blood circulation, ensuring that your heart stays strong and healthy. If you're looking for a natural way to support your heart health, fennel seeds are an excellent choice. And let's not forget the immune-boosting power of fennel seeds. Packed with vitamin C and other essential nutrients, fennel seeds help strengthen your immune system, making it easier for your body to fight off common colds, infections, and illnesses. Eating them daily is like giving your body a little extra defense against the germs and viruses that can make you sick. With so many benefits, why wouldn't you want to add fennel seeds to your daily routine? They're an easy, natural way to support your overall health. Before we dive into even more benefits and how you can start incorporating fennel seeds into your diet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We're aiming for 500 subscribers, and your support helps us continue bringing you the best health tips and advice. 10 amazing benefits of eating fennel seeds. 1. Better digestion. Fennel seeds are famous for their ability to improve digestion. They work by relaxing the smooth muscles in your stomach and intestines, which helps food pass through your digestive tract more easily. If you suffer from bloating, gas, or indigestion after meals, fennel seeds can provide much-needed relief. Some studies have shown that fennel seeds can reduce bloating and other digestive discomforts by up to 30%. They're especially useful after large meals or when eating foods that are hard to digest. Number 2, freshens breath. Chewing fennel seeds after a meal doesn't just aid digestion, it also freshens your breath. The natural oils in fennel seeds, such as anethole, have antibacterial properties that help kill the bacteria that cause bad breath. Fennel seeds have a sweet, licorice-like flavor that instantly makes your mouth feel fresher, and many cultures have used them as a natural mouth freshener for centuries. 3. Helps with weight loss. Fennel seeds can support your weight loss efforts in several ways. First, they help curb your appetite thanks to their high fiber content. This means you'll feel full longer and won't be as tempted to snack between meals. Additionally, fennel seeds help speed up your metabolism, which allows your body to burn calories more efficiently. One study even found that fennel seeds can help reduce overeating by making you feel satisfied after eating smaller portions. 4. Rich in antioxidants. Fennel seeds are loaded with antioxidants, which help protect your body from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage your cells and lead to chronic diseases like cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. By eating fennel seeds daily, you're giving your body a natural boost in its fight against these harmful substances. Antioxidants also play a role in slowing down the aging process, helping your skin stay healthier and more youthful. Number 5. Balances hormones, especially for women. The phytoestrogens in fennel seeds can help regulate hormones, especially for women. These compounds mimic estrogen in the body, which can be beneficial for women going through menopause or experiencing hormone imbalances. Fennel seeds have been found to reduce symptoms like hot flashes, mood swings, and menstrual cramps, making them a great natural remedy for women's health issues. 6. Supports heart health. Fennel seeds can improve your heart health by lowering bad cholesterol, LDL, and raising good cholesterol, HDL. This helps reduce the risk of developing heart disease, which is one of the leading causes of death worldwide. Additionally, fennel seeds contain potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and promotes healthy blood flow. Regularly consuming fennel seeds can help keep your cardiovascular system in check. 7. Boosts immune system. Fennel seeds are packed with vitamin C, an essential nutrient that strengthens your immune system. Eating fennel seeds regularly can help your body fight off infections more effectively, preventing colds and other common illnesses. Additionally, vitamin C acts as an antioxidant, protecting your immune cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. 8. Reduces inflammation. Fennel seeds have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce swelling and pain in the body, especially in conditions like arthritis. They contain essential oils like anethole and fenchone, which help lower inflammation and prevent chronic conditions related to inflammation like heart disease and cancer. 9. Helps with detoxification. Fennel seeds are great for detoxifying your body. They help cleanse your liver, kidneys, and other organs by flushing out toxins and waste products. By eating fennel seeds daily, you're giving your body a gentle detox, which helps improve overall health and well-being. This detoxifying effect also supports healthy skin, as removing toxins can lead to clearer, more radiant skin. 10. Improves skin health. The antioxidants in fennel seeds not only protect your body from internal damage, but also benefit your skin. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals that contribute to skin aging and damage. Regularly consuming fennel seeds can result in clearer, healthier-looking skin, and may even help reduce acne and other skin conditions. How to start eating fennel seeds every day. Here are some detailed, easy ways to add fennel seeds to your daily routine. 1. Chew fennel seeds after meals. Start by chewing half a teaspoon of fennel seeds after each meal. This not only helps with digestion, but also freshens your breath. Keep some fennel seeds in a small jar in your kitchen or dining area for easy access. 2. Fennel tea. Make fennel tea by boiling 1 teaspoon of crushed fennel seeds in water for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the seeds and enjoy the tea either hot or cold. Drinking this tea after meals can aid digestion, soothe your stomach, and help you relax. You can drink fennel tea 2 to 3 times a day for maximum benefits. 3. Fennel water for weight loss. Soak 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds in a glass of water overnight. In the morning, drink the water on an empty stomach. This fennel-infused water can boost your metabolism and help control your appetite throughout the day. It's a simple, refreshing way to start your day with a health kick. 4. Add to cooking. You can also sprinkle fennel seeds into various dishes. Try adding them to curries, soups, or even roasted vegetables for an extra burst of flavor and health benefits. You can also grind fennel seeds and mix them into smoothies, salad dressings, or yogurt. Let's quickly recap the amazing benefits of eating fennel seeds daily. They aid digestion, helping you feel more comfortable after meals. They freshen your breath naturally. They assist with weight loss by keeping you full longer and boosting your metabolism. They are rich in antioxidants that protect your body from harmful free radicals. They balance hormones, especially for women, and help ease period pain and menopause symptoms. They support heart health by lowering cholesterol and improving blood circulation. They strengthen your immune system, helping you fight off infections and common colds. They reduce inflammation, which is great for anyone dealing with joint pain or chronic conditions. They help detoxify your body, supporting liver and kidney function. They improve skin health by fighting free radicals and reducing signs of aging. By simply adding fennel seeds to your daily routine, you're giving your body a powerful natural boost that can positively impact everything from your digestion and metabolism to your heart and immune health. It's fascinating how such a small seed can provide so many incredible benefits. Whether you're using them for weight management, hormone balance, or just to freshen your breath, fennel seeds are an easy, accessible, and inexpensive way to support your overall well-being. Remember, consistency is key. To truly experience the benefits of fennel seeds, you should aim to include them in your daily routine. Whether you choose to chew them after meals, drink fennel tea, or use them in your cooking, making them a part of your day will go a long way in improving your health over time. They are a natural, ancient remedy that still holds incredible value today. So, are you ready to give fennel seeds a try? You can start with something simple, chewing them after your next meal, and build from there. It's a small change that can lead to big improvements in your health. Before we end, don't forget to subscribe. We're on a journey to reach 500 subscribers, and with your support, we can continue sharing more health tips and insights to keep you informed and healthy. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and most importantly, stay healthy. See you next time.